Hi, you guys. So we're going to go over how to do the solving and graphing inequalities matching activity. That's a mouthful. So the directions, I gave you a direction slide. Each purple piece will match with a blue piece, and you'll see that on the next page. So what this is saying is these purple pieces over here are going to match with one of the graphs on the right-hand side. So what you're going to do is solve a problem. So for instance, on this one, on number 1, we have 2x minus 3 is less than negative 7. So when we solve this, first we have to start with addition or subtraction. So we have minus 3, which means we're going to add 3 to both sides. So when I add 3, it cancels out this. And when I add 3 over here, we get negative 4. So now we'll have 2x is less than negative 4. And then I divide by 2. So negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2. So my answer here is negative 2. So it's x is less than negative 2. If you need to get a less than or equal to sign, come over here. And when you click, you can copy. So on some of the answers, you might have to copy and then paste the answer. And that way you can get that negative or that less than or equal to. But in our case, we didn't need the less than or equal to. So we're just going to keep it as less than negative 2. So we know that this is x is less than negative 2. And over here, we know that we are looking for a graph that is an open circle. So it's open circle at negative 2. And so this is open circle at negative 2. So we have x is less than negative 2. And so now we're going to drag our blue piece over to match the two together because both of them are x is less than negative 2. So what you can do is solve all the ones in the purple on the left and then solve all the ones in blue on the right. And then you'll just match them together when you have two answers that have the same answer in the box. If for some reason you do not have an answer on the left that matches the one on the right, then that means that we solved the problem incorrectly and we need to go back and solve it again. So that's all you are doing for this, and you're just going to drag those pieces over once you solve them, and then you will post your showing work page on Schoology in the place provided. So that's all that you're doing for this activity. Please email me or let me know if you have any questions. You can hop on a Zoom call with me and we can kind of go over it together if you need to. So that's all you're doing for this activity. I'm going to let you get started.